Are you looking for the best baitcasting fishing reel to enhance your fishing experience? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, having the right reel can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best baitcasting fishing reels that offer superior performance, precision, and durability. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the KastKing Royale Legend Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The KastKing Royale Legend Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a high-performance reel designed for anglers seeking precision and durability. Built with a carbon graphite frame, it offers a lightweight yet sturdy construction, ensuring resilience in various fishing conditions. The aluminum handle arm enhances strength while maintaining a comfortable grip, making long fishing sessions more manageable. One of its standout features is the magnetic braking system dial, which allows for fine-tuned control over casting. Paired with the ultimate mega-tough short shaft spool and an integrated golden magnetic ring, this reel provides seamless casting for lures ranging from 3G to 20G. This level of versatility makes it suitable for different fishing techniques and environments. Equipped with 6+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, the Royale Legend delivers smooth and consistent performance. The patented LFTV line guide further enhances casting efficiency by reducing friction and improving accuracy. Additionally, the reel supports up to 7 kg of smooth drag, offering sufficient stopping power for a variety of fish species. For added comfort and control, the EVA handle knobs provide a secure grip, even in wet conditions. Whether you're an experienced angler or a beginner, the KastKing Royale Legend Baitcasting Fishing Reel combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it a reliable choice for your fishing adventures. Coming in at number 4, the Kingdom Micro Monster Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Kingdom Micro Monster Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a premium choice for anglers seeking high performance and durability in a compact design. Engineered with an integrated carbon frame and side plate, this reel delivers exceptional strength while maintaining an ultra-lightweight feel, ensuring effortless casting for extended fishing sessions. Designed for precision, the reel features a high-strength aluminum alloy main gear that enhances longevity and performance. The inclusion of a ceramic cone-shaped line guide allows for increased casting distance, making it easier to reach targeted fishing zones with minimal resistance. The 6-pin, 30-position adjustable magnetic brake system provides fine-tuned control, giving anglers the ability to adapt to different fishing conditions effortlessly. User convenience is at the forefront with an audible clicking star drag and micro-tension knob, allowing for easy adjustments on the go. Additionally, an automatic sound system alerts the user when a fish bites, ensuring timely responses for successful catches. The lightweight carbon handle not only enhances comfort but also contributes to the overall reduced weight of the reel, making it easy to handle throughout long fishing trips. Equipped with a carbon drag system, the reel ensures smooth and long-lasting operation, providing consistent pressure for effective fish retrieval. The 8+1 precision bearing system enhances fluid motion, reducing friction and improving casting accuracy. A hard material short-axis aluminum shallow spool further supports seamless line release and retrieval, optimizing performance in various fishing conditions. With its innovative design and advanced features, the Kingdom Micro Monster Baitcasting Fishing Reel stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for both novice and experienced anglers alike. Whether targeting freshwater or saltwater species, this reel combines strength, precision, and user-friendly controls to deliver a top-tier fishing experience. At number 3, we have the Seasir Mansory Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Seasir Mansory Baitcasting Fishing Reel is designed to deliver exceptional performance for both casual and professional anglers. Built with an 8.5 kg strong drag system, this reel ensures reliable power to handle big fish with ease. Whether fishing in freshwater or saltwater, the strong drag mechanism provides the control needed for a successful catch. Featuring an ultralight carbon construction, the Seasir Mansory reel significantly reduces fatigue during extended fishing sessions. The lightweight design offers a comfortable grip and effortless handling, allowing anglers to focus on technique rather than strain. Despite its light build, it remains durable and resilient against wear and tear. The reel boasts a 7.3:1 high-speed ratio, ensuring quick and efficient retrieval. This feature is particularly beneficial when targeting fast-moving species, allowing for swift action and increased efficiency. Anglers can experience smooth and rapid line retrieval, minimizing time lost between casts. Equipped with double spools, the Seasir Mansory reel enhances casting distance while reducing tangles. The dual spool system accommodates more line, making it ideal for long-distance fishing and varying fishing conditions. This thoughtful design element improves overall casting performance and adaptability. To further enhance its capabilities, the reel incorporates a hybrid ceramic bearing. This premium bearing system ensures smooth operation and long-lasting durability, even in harsh seawater environments. The corrosion-resistant properties contribute to an extended lifespan, making it a reliable choice for any fishing adventure. The Seasir Mansory Baitcasting fishing reel combines strength, speed, and innovative design to offer a seamless fishing experience. With its powerful drag, lightweight build, high-speed retrieval, and advanced bearing system, it stands out as a valuable addition to any angler's gear collection. Next up at number 2 is the Soloking Acura HICC 50 Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Soloking Acura Heat 50 Baitcasting Fishing Reel is a powerhouse of performance, precision, and durability. Designed for anglers who demand efficiency and comfort, this reel delivers an ultralight experience without compromising on strength. Weighing only 136 grams, the HICC 50 is built for long fishing sessions, ensuring minimal fatigue while maximizing comfort. The carbon frame, combined with a Germany-imported aluminum main gear, guarantees excellent durability while resisting rust and corrosion. Whether battling freshwater or saltwater conditions, this reel remains steadfast, providing reliable performance in the most challenging environments. With a 10+1 bearing system and a power baitcaster capable of handling up to 4 kilograms, the HICC 50 is engineered to take on tough fish effortlessly. Its smooth retrieval is enhanced by a 7.1/8.1 gear ratio, allowing for quick and efficient line recovery. The reel's compact design extends its lifespan by ensuring precise gear meshing and transmission, reducing noise and preventing the fishing line from getting stuck. Performance is further elevated with its ultra-smooth operation. The inclusion of 10+1 saltwater double-shielded stainless steel bearings, including 2 NMB bearings, ensures seamless performance. An upgraded braking system featuring 8 magnet beads and a 20% increase in spool contact surfaces significantly reduces backlash. Even novice anglers can cast a 3.5 metal lure up to 30-50 meters with ease, making this reel a versatile companion for any fishing trip. Meticulously designed and rigorously tested, the Soloking Acura Heat 50 is more than just a baitcasting reel. It's a tool that enhances every fishing adventure with precision, reliability, and comfort. Finally, at number 1, we have the Histar Aurora Air Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Histar Aurora Air Baitcasting Fishing Reel offers an advanced design for serious anglers. Weighing just 115 g, this ultra-light reel features a 4.4-7 super light aluminum spool, making it exceptionally easy to handle and cast. With its low center of gravity, the reel provides a firm grip, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. It can throw lures as light as 0.4 g, showcasing its versatility. One of the standout features is the 3D dynamic magnetic levitation braking system. This system automatically adjusts the brake magnet based on the spool's rotation speed, ensuring smooth operation and consistent performance. Coupled with the external disc braking system, anglers can fine-tune the braking power across 5 levels and 30 micro adjustments, which cater to different fishing scenarios. Level 0-2 is ideal for competition, levels 2-4 for advanced anglers, and levels 4-5 are designed for beginners, making it adaptable for all skill levels. The reel is built with durability in mind, using the aerospace-grade T7 material and brass gear combination for superior hardness and longevity. Additionally, it features the Amaki wide triangle line outgoing device, which ensures smooth and tangle-free line flow. For added functionality, the Histar Aurora Air includes a new style DS fish catch alarm system, allowing anglers to detect bites efficiently. With a 4 kg drag power, it is capable of handling big fish, ensuring you have the strength needed to reel in your catch. Comfort is also a priority with the TPE soft rubber knob that fits perfectly in your hand, providing a secure and comfortable grip. Whether you're an experienced angler or just starting, the Histar Aurora Air Baitcasting fishing reel promises an optimized fishing experience with precision and ease.